What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Lego Ninjago video. I just wanted to tell you guys that Lego set that I bought is kind of special because, you know, I built stuff for, you know, like my own mock versions of vehicles for the Ninja, especially for Arin, like the new yellowish orange Ninja. Kind of like the same color as Skylar, but in this case, this is completely different. Yeah, so today is a surprise where I'll be doing this Lego video for you guys, a speed build and review. It is Lloyd and Arin's Ninja Team Mechs. It has 764 pieces and it's at 71794. So let's bring out the big guy. Here it is. This is the one that I got just yesterday. Well, 2 days ago, but I got it yesterday in packaging. I didn't want to do the unboxing because I had a fight with the box, so yeah. Technically, it is ages 9 and up. It has, you know, the mech, it has Lloyd, it has Arin's mech, and, you know, it has Arin's logo right here. That's what I'm actually looking forward to. And then we have wrapped in the Imperium Commander, and then the General. Yeah, I pretty like it. And then, you know, this is who it comes with. We're supposed to be collecting Arin, the main character, the main figure of the set. This is the back side of it. Technically, it shows you how like the mech is formed, how you're supposed to put it together, how you can remove it, and you know, you have wrapped in here, and then you have the Imperium. And the Imperium, which one is it? Okay, right here we have the Commander. No, the General, and then the Commander. So yeah, it looks pretty big. We're actually gonna open this box right now because, however, I do not want to like enjoy this. I'm not gonna enjoy it. But yeah, this is the surprise that we'll be using. Remember, guys, if you're like ages 18 or 16 and under, make sure you guys have adult supervision whenever you guys use a knife, or in case, ask your parents to be able to use a knife to be able to open the box for you. Or if not, we have scissors here. Also use scissors. Let me see if the scissors actually work though. The slip works, so no knife. Bye bye. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna open this one. We're gonna actually see what it has because it looks pretty interesting. I like it overall. Okay, so here it goes. Hold on. Holy smacks. Did I hit the camera? That's a lot of bags. That's a lot of bags. Holy smacks. We do have more bags than usual. Alrighty, this is going to get complicated. Okay. So yeah, we have this one. We have bag 4. We have bag 1. We have bag 3. That's the organization while I'm doing it. This is bag 2. We have bag 5. This is scary. And then we have bag 6. And then the last one we have is bag 7. That's a lot of bags. Anyways, and then, you know, this little envelope thingamajigger has the, you know, instruction booklet. It is gonna be pretty hard. I don't want to like open this and just like it's scary kind of a thing. Let's see what it comes with. Holy in the world. Oh, that's how big the booklet is? Just wait till I get the Lego Ninjago City Market set, then it'll be even more extreme. Let's put this back in here because I don't want to like do that. Oh my gosh, I do not know how big this Lego set is gonna be. Oh my goodness. And then we have stickers. It comes with stickers. I actually like the printing of these stickers. And then this is the instruction booklet. This is really big. Okay, but yeah, so we're gonna be doing this the Lego set. We're gonna be doing this speed build right now. So I'll see you guys after it in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're back after that time lapse. The Magician of Magic. This is Lloyd and Arin's team mech battle, and I'm finally excited to actually, review it. Especially this only took like 764 pieces. It was actually a lot. I kind of, lost track on how many pieces I was doing, especially the time I'm making it too. So, yeah. So this is what I have here so far. We have Lloyd's big old mech with this little staffy sword. You guys can't really see the sword. Let me see if I can take it off though. I'm gonna I don't want to break it, so let's just like bring it through it. Okay, so this is his little sword. We're gonna start off with this one. And it has like a little tassel thing in the end. Wiggles. So yeah, it's like a, you know, the whole thing. We're gonna actually put this back on him though. So we're gonna put this back on him. And then, there you go. And then we have Arin's mech. As you guys can see here, it has like a joist remover. So we can go. And then he has like these little like brachio pieces, and then his legs can move too. So he can go kick. It can go squat. He can do the split. And then you can just do whatever. Honestly, this was the more like cheap, like easier thing to build. I actually like this one better. So yeah, it was kind of a lot. So, and then I was told that this one can actually fit onto this one. So I actually want to do that. Let me see. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, it's in, but the feet aren't. So, ooh. So yeah, as you guys can see here, it has this for Arin and Lloyd. Okay, let's move it. Oh. Okay, it's gonna move frontwards, so let's move it back a little bit. There's no way we can stand it up though. So yeah, so that's how it's working, you know, that's how it works and stuff. Let's see if we can pull it out though. Okay, so it works like that, so it's fine. Let's just fix this because it's like, it's a bit much for me. Especially since this big. Put you wrapped in here. So yeah. And then we have his little neck, which is gonna be hard to put together. Yeah, hold on. Let's see if I can put it back to the way it was, where it stands. Oh, it actually moves. Okay. I didn't actually know that this fits, or it actually make moves and stuff. Hold on. So yeah, that is his mech with his little symbol, and then we have Arin here, a little Arin, and then this is his backside. And then we have Lloyd with his hair, with his backside as well. And then he has his little energy core face. So, yeah. And then we have Arin's weapon, his little grappler thing. I actually kind of turned this, I kind of cut this part and made the grappler on my own. I'll show you guys that right now. I have a piece of it right now. It's in this little baggie. This is what it looks like, you guys. So, can you guys see it? Yeah, this is what it looks like. And then just like, this is how far it is. So technically it works. How far it is and like dangles and stuff. So yeah, in this case, let's see if it can actually like work and stuff. So he could swing on it. It's gonna be really hard to put this back together. So it was his grappler, and then let's put that back. And then we have the Imperium Commander. Can you guys see him? That's the Imperium Commander. Those are his printings. And then we have wrapped in again. His printings are kind of like clear-ish. You guys can barely see his face, but... So yeah. That is wrapped in. We have the General, Claw General. And then, ooh, before I drop it again. We have the Imperium Staff, where it shoots. And then we have the 2 Imperium transparent swords, like that. That's how we have it. So yeah, that is everybody, especially, you know, doing this Lego set, so I'm pretty excited. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give a like down below. Leave your comments of what you guys think about it. I mean, other than, like, you know, the legs can actually move too. It's kind of scary, and especially to use it. It's really big. It has 764 pieces. It was a lot. Yeah. And then if you guys are new to the channel, click that subscribe button with the bell notifications for future videos like this. And you guys will be seeing me doing Jay's Lightning Dragon and the City Market sets in the future videos, the Destiny's Bounty, and then the Temple of the Energy Cores. So it's basically 4 videos, but 2 Lego sets that I'm missing. Share this video with all families and friends, whoever likes Legos or Legos in general. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts down below, and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. So peace out.